Well, good morning, everybody. Grace and peace to you from our Lord Jesus Christ and all the saints here in sunny California. Um, had a recent request about wanting more of our IWCs, or integrated wiring center, integrated wiring closet, whatever you want to call it. So it's hard. It's hard to really pick a standard, IWC, or we just call them closets here. Because mine are so different. So here's a good example of one. This is in one of our clinics, and we've got this one pretty much cleaned up. This was our worst closet. All of these switches that are mounted here were all right down in this area, and then all these patch panels had cables going from there down to these switches, and it was a mess. This was just like a huge waterfall of cable. I'm sure everybody's seen that. If you've worked in this line of business, you've seen it. So it took probably about two months to clean this all up. But this is the end result. And this is a pretty average wiring closet. We got a couple of two rail racks here. So 2 rails, one on each side. We used to call them relay racks back in the day. So the switches in there, and then there's going to be some older phone system stuff. That's why they call it integrated, because usually it was network and phone in one closet. We don't use that phone system anymore. That phone doesn't even work. But then you'll have the electrical panels for the area, alarm panels, and more electrical panels, and then all the wiring goes from these racks up and out and all over the clinics. So this is what a wiring closet can look like. Let me show you what some of the others can look like. So here's another example of what a wiring closet can look like. Sometimes it's just a can hanging on the wall. Open that up. We got a patch panel. We got a couple of switches. A couple older switches, by the way. Those need to be replaced. But yeah, that's what those look like. That's what this wiring closet can look like. Let's go find another. How do I get out of here? Hang on, we're going to find another. So this other one we're going to is just in a different building over here. It's early morning. I'm actually here to do some other work. We're moving a couple of routes this morning from some switches that they shouldn't be on into our course. This should have been done last time, but for whatever reason we elected to wait. So that's why I'm here so early in the morning. It's going to be a beautiful day though. I can tell. All right, let's get in the door here. Go over to the other wiring closet. Be right back. Here we have another example of a wiring closet. That is what used to be the wiring closet. We rapidly ran out of room in there and expanded into this room. That's where our rack is. That's where our wiring goes out to the different areas. This is actually going to become kind of a distribution area for this. We brought some more fiber in here. So fiber is going to come in here and get cross passed over here and go out to our data center. But this is another example of a wiring closet that used to be a bathroom. So, well, at least we can come in here and wash our hands if we need to. Yeah, this was a spare bathroom. Not to worry. There's plenty more running across the hall. All right. Let's see if I can find one more. Okay, here's another one. I'm just in a hallway here. But you see this door here? It says environmental services. Basically means janitor closet. I don't even have a key for this one. If I needed to get in there, I would have to call either housekeeping or I would have to call security. So yeah, in here, they got some, little push carts with their cleaning supplies and a floor sink. And way up there at the top, almost as high as that AP is, we've got a switch mounted in there. And I actually have to get a ladder to work on that switch. So yeah, wiring closet. Got one more outside I'm going to show you. Be right back. Okay, here's another good example of a wiring closet. Right here. So this and there's our switch. Oops, it's over here. And then our UPS right there. Again, it's an integrated wiring closet because we've got power, we've got switch, we've got, well, we used to have a phone line that ran in there, we don't anymore. And see the fibers come in right there, got an older orange fiber and a newer OM4 fiber. And yeah, then that just runs right out here and goes over to this trailer right here. That's our MRI trailer, the famous MRI trailer. So that's just yet another example of what a wiring closet can look like. And it's all just going to depend on, the site requirements, what's needed by the department that has the switch. And okay, this thing's fighting me. Give me my key back. Thank you. Sorry about that. Lock this bad boy up. Keep the copper thieves out. So yeah, it can look like anything. Wherever you can find space to tuck those a lot of the time. That's what the wiring closet will look like. So I could show you others, but they're all going to be variations on those themes. It's going to be a switch in a nice climate-controlled locked room, or it'll be a switch in a can stuck on a wall. It'll be a switch stuck in a closet somewhere, like that janitor's closet in there. It can be outside, just like that guy right back there. So, wiring closet is just going to be whatever you make it. So anyway, another short video this week, guys. Sorry about that, but I gotta go get ready for the work we're gonna do this morning, and I'll probably make another video talking about that, because that means we have one more work day and this fabric project is wrapped up. So yeah, I'll do one more video on that, and we'll wrap up the fabric project and start talking about some other projects we got going on. So anyway, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll take this off now. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button if you want to get updated, the notification bell if you want instant notifications. And as always, if you got questions, ask me in the comments down there. And any ideas, anything you guys would like to see, any questions you have. I probably won't know the answer, might not know the answer. But there's a lot of smart people out there that do. So there's some actually fairly bright people that are watching my channel for some reason. So, but I do appreciate it. So it just goes to show you that you don't have to be the smartest feller in the world to do this job. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. God bless. We'll catch you later.